Hello guys, welcome back to another Inspo. For today's video, here we're going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Instax blinking orange. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having problems with your Instax here, there are going to be a few things that you could try. So first is you need to check your batteries. So the most common reason is that the flash isn't charging properly. Now, in this case, which happens when the batteries are weak or dying. So in this case, you want to try swapping them out for a fresh one. High quality alkaline batteries, or in this case, not the cheap ones, but good ones. So this should allow the flash to change and stop the blinking light. Now, next thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that the lens is fully extended. Now, sometimes the lens gets slightly stuck when you turn on the camera. So in this case, if it's not fully extended, in this case, the camera thinks it's still off. So give the lens a little wiggle here. So just wiggle it a bit, but don't force it. Just make sure it's fully popped out and there's no dirt, debris. So in this case, you might want to clean around your camera as well. Now, next thing you want to do here is you want to check the back door of the camera. Now, in this case, if the film isn't seated properly, the camera might not be able to print, which can also cause the blinking light. So, in this case, lightly press on the back of your door or the back door of the camera. Make sure it's fully closed and secure. Don't open if there's film inside, or you'll ruin the film. And next is you want to basically fix a stock photo. Now, if there are, in this case, if you're taking a picture and the batteries popped out mid-print, the film could be stuck inside, causing the blinking light. Now, what you need to do here is you want to turn on the camera, take out the old batteries, and replace them with fresh ones while the camera is still on. That should get it printing again. Now, if that doesn't work, you can try gently pulling the stock film out, but be careful. It's tricky and could damage the camera. And in this case, if none of the physics work, there might be a bigger issue here, and you might need to get it checked out. But usually one of this should fix or do the trick for you. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.